वेलकम टू माय द्विजा। हमारे साथ है डॉक्टर अर्चना कदम। हम लोग उनके साथ सीरीज कर रहे हैं बच्चे के डेवलपमेंट, माइलस्टोन, डिले, रेड फ्लैग्स, क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए। सो थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर अर्चना। मेरा अभी सेकंड क्वेश्चन आपसे यह है कि बच्चों के केस में क्या कोई इंटरवेंशंस करना चाहिए? जैसे कुछ लोग बोलते हैं आप कान जल्दी चेक करवा लो, या आप स्क्रीनिंग करवा लो, या IQ EQ ये भी बहुत फेमस है। तो क्या कोई स्क्रीनिंग या इंटरवेंशंस बच्चों को लेके करना चाहिए? क्या उसके लिए कोई एज ग्रुप है और ये कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है?
नाउ अर्ली इंटरवेंशन, इसका जो अर्ली इंटरवेंशन का जो बेसिस है, फर्स्ट 3 years ऑफ लाइफ crucial for lifelong development. The earlier you pick up the problem, see by 3 years the child's brain is still plastic, the wiring is still happening. So agar we can pick up if we pick up a red flag in development, what we do is we do a developmental screen. We do a more detailed evaluation and then we find out the child's profile. बच्चा कैसे कर रहा है, उसके strengths क्या है, उसके weaknesses क्या है. Based on that we come up with an intervention plan. Now every child is different. When the baby is born, hearing screens are mandatory. Those are done on all children. The child has a basic evaluation with the pediatrician. We don't need to do an IQ on all children. We just need to keep a track on the child's development. If there is a developmental concern that comes up, either we have picked it up or our pediatrician, we would do a periodic follow-up of the child's development.
Okay.
You don't just see the child once because that's a snapshot. Development is unfolding every day. It's dynamic. So what we do is called as developmental screening. अगर कुछ concern है, there is a fixed age that we see the child. Say in the premature baby where there is a high risk for developmental problems. First year we'll see every 3 monthly, then we'll see 6 monthly till 3 years, and then till 2 years after school entry.
And then probably we are sorted कि अभी बच्चा ठीक डेवलप हो रहा है तो हो गया.
Generally we start intervention. जैसे अगर motor delay है, sometimes we might need to start physiotherapy. Sometimes we give the parents a program how to facilitate the child to move. Sometimes we need to do investigations and we might need a little bit of medicine. समझो there is speech delay. We would do a full evaluation. We'll check for hearing. We'll give the parents a stimulation program at home. Sometimes we might need to give speech therapy to foster communication. Sometimes parents need to be taught how to work on behavior because बच्चा behavior से चीज़ें मान रहा है. So sometimes there is behavior therapy. Sometimes children might be clumsy with their hands. They might need occupational therapy. But need for therapy is individualized. And there is no set for duration that the child needs. So we need a detailed evaluation and a follow-up, and needs of therapy can keep changing.
डॉक्टर एक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स क्वेश्चन है, ये सब थेरेपीज को एक कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व होता है. अगर कोई पेरेंट ऐसा है कि नहीं, दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड समथिंग लाइक दिस, जो ये सुन रहे हैं, तो क्या कोई गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव्स भी है जहाँ पे ऐसे पेरेंट्स को भी हेल्प हो सकता है?
See, sometimes yes, in children जो rural areas से आते हैं, it may not be possible to provide intervention. Yes, there are some schemes from the government. They are called as early intervention programs. These work in the rural areas, Anganwadi, where little bit of stimulation is provided. But I think much more needs to be done at the community level to create more awareness for developmental interventions earlier.
Superb. So any one of you parents have that issues with respect to screening and the plan, I think it will be beautiful to talk to your doctor and understand कि exactly कितने दिनों बाद कौन सा चीज़ लगेगा, and it will help you to actually plan things. But last question with this doctor, when we say screening and everything, is there any raise or anything that is involved with these checks?
It is just play. Developmental screening that we do or developmental assessment जो हम बोलते हैं, it's no fancy test. It is where we play with the child like simple toys. We will show the child a picture book. We'll ask the child to point pictures.
Okay, ये क्या है, वो क्या है?
Where is the car? And the child is pointing to it. What is this? And the child is saying can. So this is maybe one of the items that we would use for language. We might use a doll where we will teach. We'll say बाळाला जो जो करा.
हाँ, सुला दो इसको.
And if the child is imitating, or we might say कि baby को पानी पिला दो. And that is social imitation language.
मैंने पिला दी।
Also, you have a lot of cognitive items where in our testing,
I will.
where we will, see whether the child is able to solve this problem of fixing things. These are just snapshots. This is not.
और
the
तो
full-
बहुत कुछ हो सकता
Yes,
है।
but what this tells us is how is the child doing as per his age. If
Wow.
some child is 2-year-old, but his play skills are a little immature. He's playing by 1. His language abilities are by a year and a half. His hand skill. So we get a profile of the child's development. What are his strengths? What are his weaknesses? What do we need to work on? We give them a plan to work on,
Accordingly.
and sometimes we supplement it with therapy. The purpose of all this is to improve the child's functional outcomes. So those are the words नहीं थे हमने, और उसके behaviors थे. He used to throw tantrums to get things. We did intervention 3 years. He now has words. He knows how to communicate. Automatically the behaviors have settled.
Better,
So
yes.
that's the whole purpose of early intervention.
वाओ, फंक्शनल एबिलिटी क्या होता है?
Functional matlab what I am able to do. So functional
Okay.
skills means, say at 3 years the child should be able to pick up and eat finger food. He should be able to
Okay.
drink. He should be able to communicate his needs in 3-word sentence.
So
That
बच्चे
is
को
my
रूटीन
functional
लाइफ में
skill.
जीने के लिए जो भी चीजें लगती है।
Correct. It's not about knowing letters and numbers. It's about learning how to be in society and learning to do things independently.
क्या ये लाइन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था। इट्स नॉट अबाउट लर्निंग मेरा बच्चा 1 to 10 और A to Z बोलता है मतलब परफेक्ट है। देयर आर लॉट मोर टू आई थिंक चाइल्ड्स डेवलपमेंट। थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर अर्चना। दैट क्वेश्चन वाज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन वी से स्क्रीनिंग, मतलब डॉक्टर ने बोला हम लोग खेलते हैं बच्चों के साथ, एंड दैट्स देयर एक्सपर्टाइज टू अंडरस्टैंड क्या ये खेल सही जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है। Thank you so much, all of you. See you all in next segment and keep watching. Bye.